Hello, people. Today is November 14th. I will try to get this movie in one take, like I used to do some years ago. But yes, I need to shave my head or discut it, style it, or I don't know. I don't know, I like the beard. What do you think? It's manly beard, yes. Well, it's no shave November. No, it's supposed to be only in the States when if you can grow a beard, you can vote. But it's manly thing to grow a beard. But in Israel, most of the people are Jewish, and in the non-Orthodox or non-traditional Orthodox community, a beard is a sign of mourning if someone close to you died. So I don't want to piss off people in my family, but I like to have a beard. Oh, just one. What do you think? Should I grow the beard? Or should I shave it? I know I should do something in my head. Yeah. Okay. Well, as some of you know, I had a dog a few years ago. I hope I can post or post I don't know the correct expression, a photo of him over here or just around. I will do it after filming and with the gifts, with a bit of editing. Well, it died of what's the correct expression? He died of heart attack or heart condition secondary to lung inflammation. I got very, very, very attached to him, and it's been hard to me to look. It was a small breed. It was a Japanese dog. Maybe, well, we're not going to speak about the dog breeds in here because it's a large issue and I'm not really familiar with that. But over the years, I got miss him and I miss him and I miss him, but still I couldn't take another dog from the pound or from the city. I don't know. Yeah, my excuse was I have a small apartment and a lot of. I'm a bit of a herder. I'm trying to shift the things in a side way, but I'm a herder. I'm a bit of a herder. I'm changing scenes. I'm moving things around. I don't have time to host the dog inside, and you can't. If you don't have a private yard, you can't put the dog outside because the city hall will save him a couple of times and send him to the pound again. And if no one claims him in, I don't know, 2 months, they put him to sleep. I don't want it. So, story is like some months ago, I went to the garbage can outside, and cat got to follow me, and excuse me, yeah, yeah. I said okay, you can follow me. I will give you. I gave him some water and a disposable plate. And drank over, I don't know, 10 or 15 seconds. I know it's unusual because I have a friend who's some kind of a hobby vet. How do you call it? Well, he said it's unusual because kids usually don't drink much. So I was glad. Uh, After a few days, I saw him again. Again, it was following me to the trash can. Well, I got some leftover bologna and that I couldn't eat because it was a special holiday, very, very special Buddhist holiday. That you can't eat meat this day and probably the day after. So I gave him the piece of the bologna. So of course he meowed me again and again and said, okay, same things. I went to sleep in the morning and said, okay, I want some bologna again. You see, this window is in the front of the building. I can hear cats meowing over here near the computer. I was looking at him and said, meow meow. Like saying to me, I want some bologna again. Well, I don't have any. Found out some tuna can was about to expire. I didn't feel like eating tuna. I didn't like the brand, and well, never mind. I opened the can and put the tuna in a disposable plate and I fed a cat. But the morning after, got to be two cats. Oh, what do I want? So I don't know. I didn't know what to do. So I ran away, closing the door, and they got in. Just started tingling in my nose and my ears. Oh yes, I'm allergic to cats. How come? Well, I got them out and I went to sleep. Over that year that I was allergic to cats. And in my sleep, I got to see myself as a little kid going with my grandma to feed the yard, the cats in the yard. When I woke up, I said to myself, "You are not allergic to cats. You miss your grandma." So, so I went out, saw two cats, and suddenly, no allergic reaction, no sensitivity. What was a psychological allergy? Well, yeah, it's very known. Uh, but I didn't know it was my issue. I thought I was really, really, really allergic to kids. It was psychological. So I went to the pet shop and bought him some cat food. Dealing and negotiating with the store owner, and then I said, "Well, it's an alley cat. It's a yard cat. It's a garbage cat. Garbage cat? Yeah, you followed me to the garbage can. So wanted to feed him to kind of not really take care of it, but be humane towards me. Oh, I have a very special, very special price for yard cats feeders. Okay, and what? So I got to give him to pay a cheap price, and I got here and for the cat. The day after, I got 3 cats and 4 cats, 5 cats, six cats, 7 cats, and now the 8. Well, I need the names. I need the name for a black male cat. I've been just saying, I have meat is a generic name in Israel for cats. I got Cleo. She's very beautiful, just a little bit feisty. Don't ask me why. The, if you see this movie and you know what I'm speaking about, then you know. Okay, I got Meow. I got Toffee. I got Neta. She looks like Neta. Also got TB, short for Tibet. And then, oh, Bastet. She's a gray cat, very clean, with green eyes. She looks like the Egyptian goddess of cats, or Egyptian goddess manifested in cats. But just Google it and get a gray cat with yellow eyes. Yeah, green eyes. Sorry, this one I'm not going to edit. So now there's a 8 cat is male, black, and kind of bullying the other cats, which are female, and cows drive them away, eat some of the food, and running away. Well, a black male cat. I thought about Felix from the cartoons, and I saw as a kid. What do you think? The name for black male cat. This is kind of. So what do you think? Well, as usual, there will be a slide over here. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until then, be well and happy. My mouse is stuck. Goodbye.